When music venue owner Kevin found this 3,600 square foot forest-lined house not far from his downtown Raleigh, North Carolina-based club, he sold his wife Nevada on it, sight unseen.
She never actually walked inside the house.
We were expecting our third child. I was exceedingly pregnant at the time, so I sat down on the deck and told my husband to go on in and take a look.
I walked through it, and the inside was great.
When Kevin came out, he said, "It's good, done deal."
So we went and bought the house. And it's a great house.
Boy, was he wrong.
With little time for buyer's remorse, Nevada did her best to settle in. But 7 years and another child later, she simply had it with her home's lack of function.
We don't have enough bedrooms. We have 2 kids sharing a room.
When they get older, we move them around.
Ezra, our oldest, his bedroom is above the carport. It's poorly insulated.
It's fine.
While they disagree on the bedroom situation, Nevada's list of daily frustrations starts before she even hits the front door.
The carport is a disaster. It's an embarrassment. The neighbors complain.
You act like I built it.
Kevin brings a lot of stuff home from work.
And I always end up dropping them in the carport with everything else.
There's junk everywhere and there's no way to hide it.
If we make it a garage, then that whole problem is solved.
And if that was the only problem we had, that'd be great.
But it's certainly not the only problem.
So if you're in the kitchen, you see the laundry space, and on the far side of the laundry space is the master closet. So you can see directly into someone dressing in the master closet.
Not a reason to move.
The laundry spills over into the kitchen all the time. We're definitely leaving.
Yes. To go to dinner tonight, and then we'll come back home to our wonderful house that we're going to change.
Arriving on site are designer Hilary and Realtor David, both determined to find the function for this busy family of 6. But before these experts can work their magic, they'll need to meet up to review this couple's must-haves to stay or sell.
All right, must-haves to go. 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, including a master bath, multi-car garage, family music space, laundry room, mud room, open concept floor plan, close to current location, and large yard with privacy.
All right, here's my list.
All right.
Reconfigure and upgrade kitchen, open concept main floor, convert carport to garage, create 5th bedroom, dedicated family music space, additional 2nd floor laundry, mudroom, update master bathroom, and a dedicated workout space.
Hilary and David meet the couple at Kevin's club to find out what kind of budgets they're working with.
I love this place.
I do too.
This looks like a party place for sure. I've done an evaluation on your house. The current value is $440,000.
It's not what I'd hoped for, but it's a great start.
What is the budget for the new house?
500.
Really?
Well, 500 should be fine.
I don't think it's realistic.
Is there any chance that could be changed at this point just because of what I know you need?
We'll end up with the same problems if we cut corners now.
515.
525.
525.
All right.
You have a house that needs work. I can fix it. I can make it work for you guys. I just need to know how much money I have.
85,000.
Smile.
Based on that list you've given me, 85,000 is pretty skinny. You gave David more money, so
I just don't want to put any more money into that house.
either way, I am going to make this house work for you, and when I'm done, you are going to love it.
Okay.
Nope, that's not what's gonna happen.
Nope, that's
You're
what you
gonna find
say.
the right house the way you should have before. And when I find that house, the only thing they're gonna say about the current house, listen for it, is you're gonna list it.
Hilary and contractor Eric have arrived to determine how their $85,000 renovation budget is best used to keep Nevada home.
One of the things is this big double carport. This needs to be enclosed.
Okay.
All right, and fully winterized.
I don't see a problem with building the garage here.
Leave those where they are, but now I need a sink, so I would just keep going this way.
Okay.
So that obviously means we're messing with this wall, so I'm gonna get you to break through. The idea is that this space now has to really do sort of double duty. We've got the sink coming in here, we've got to maintain a walk-in closet, but we've also got to now have a place for the boots, bag, all of the stuff that when you come into a mudroom, you're gonna take off. And I'm not doing the second floor laundry.
Yeah, that's excellent, honestly.
Focusing first on the main floor, hammers immediately start swinging on the obtrusive wall between the kitchen and dining room, instantly increasing not only the light, but also the flow. Elsewhere, the laundry room and master bedroom closet are dismantled to make way for Hilary's innovative new mudroom and laundry combination. With her team making quick progress, things are looking good for Hilary on the home front. While more than a half an hour away, David is hoping a marginally longer commute results in a fully functional home Kevin would be hard-pressed to find fault with.
It's a nice neighborhood.
This is far.
But look at what you're getting.
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Far.
At 3,000 square feet, this house has plenty of room for 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, including a master bath. Vastly improving the daily flow is an open-concept kitchen and family room, not to mention space for both a music room and a workout space, plus an attached 2-car garage, all located on an attractive lot that backs onto a stunning golf course.
Come on in.
It's crowded right here.
Look around. This is the family room. This is where people are going to hang out.
That's not good.
What are you talking about? Look at this. Look at what you've got here. This is night and day compared to yours right now.
I agree with that.
He'll be grasping at straws over there. I'd like to see what else this house has.
What do you think this house is listed at?
565.
What do you think?
600?
This house is listed at $499,000.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow is
I
right.
think there's a lot of great things about this house.
But
The traffic and the distance to downtown is not going to work.
if the location doesn't work, it doesn't work. So we're going to move on.
So while David sets his sights back toward their neighborhood, Nevada and Kevin head home, where with demolition still in full swing in the kitchen, they manage to meet with Hilary in their front hall.
You've got a bit of a rough throat going there.
A little froggy.
Bit froggy. You know what?
Yeah.
And then let's not go in there because the wall between the kitchen and the dining room has come down.
Oh, wow.
And it's awesome. It really is.
How about the wall between the sunroom and the kitchen?
I haven't done that yet because I haven't come up with a plan yet on how I'm going to pick up the cabinetry that I'm going to lose there.
So that's kind of still a work in
It's
progress.
on hold. It's on hold. Okay?
All right.
So let me walk you through what I'm doing. The bit that is your walkway is now part of your home, and it runs as a hallway from the garage as another way to give you access into an enormous mudroom where all the junk and everything can be peeled off before coming into the main house. It also now has allowed me to change the laundry. So the configuration is that it's completely closed off from the kitchen.
Nice.
And that laundry is now its own room with more storage and areas that you need in a laundry room.
See, love it.
Work on the main floor continues at a rapid pace. The plumbing is officially rerouted and finalized for the new layout of the expanded kitchen. The electrical also gets an upgrade in order to accommodate the new appliances and increased lighting needed to light the newly expanded central living space. And as things get electrified at home, not far away, David too has found the spark of inspiration and is confident this large home delivers everything they need just minutes from home.
What do you think?
It's a cookie cutter kind of neighborhood.
I like the front. I like the porch.
Hey, he's being more positive than you.
Yeah.
That's not a good thing.
Well, let's see what's inside.
All right.
At 3,000 square feet, this spacious house boasts 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, including a large master bath. Easing the daily traffic jams are a roomy open-concept kitchen and entertaining area, not to mention a large basement, ready to become a music room and workout area with extra space to spare. All of this, plus the attached 2-car garage, is situated on a gorgeous lot located 5 minutes from Kevin's beloved neighborhood.
Come on in. You walk right in. Look at these incredible ceilings.
Yeah.
I mean, it's open. It's really open.
And that's what you want, correct?
Yeah.
So I'm doing a good job.
You're doing a good job.
Now, can you imagine your family hanging out in this space?
This is really nice.
You've also got a pantry.
Love it.
It's amazing. Right? I don't want to talk anymore.
I love the sound of that. Here you have the backyard and this beautiful sun porch.
Is this the neighbor's deck? This is awful. No, this is way too close and nothing like what we have.
I think with a few modifications, this could be a lot like what we have at home.
I don't think that would be an issue. I mean, you'd have to talk to the homeowners association, but I don't think closing it in would be a big
Homeowner
deal.
Association.
Yes.
Oh, no.
What's wrong?
You're going to lose him.
They have a homeowner association.
Right here's where
Why?
you lose him.
Why?
There's the homeowner fee. There's the homeowner rules. There's the neighbors in charge.
Basically, the first time somebody tells him what kind of mailbox he has to have, he's going to be building a bunker
I can see the
back
inside of
there.
the house just crumbling right now.
You will not buy an HOA house.
No.
What do you think this house is listed at?
615?
What do you think?
625.
This house is listed at $599,000.
Wow, that is a good price. Still, there's the homeowners association, so.
I'm gonna consider this done.
David tries to move forward, while Nevada and Kevin arrive outside their home, where the much-needed new additions are hard to miss.
You don't have a breezeway anymore.
So I notice.
It took so much more work than I was expecting. We had to completely redo the foundation. What you do have now is a hallway, a mud room, a fabulous laundry room.
I heard mudroom and I heard laundry room, so I agree, worth
And
it.
the foundation's
worth it.
fine.
Well, you got a brand new one now. All right, so now.
Perking up, definitely.
You're perking up. Let's talk about this room. Well, how about this is your music room?
I think that's a great idea.
I like it.
I think this is a good location.
Yeah, we could put all the bad music in one room.
Yeah.
Ha! It's a good space. It works, right?
I am a little doubtful that the final product could really sway me, but I have to say that what I see today is, it definitely puts a spin on things.
I like it.
Confidence is high as Hilary leaves her team to add the finishing touches that she hopes will finally have Nevada seeing the nerve center of her home in a whole new light. But she's not the only one finally feeling better, because David thinks he's finally found the magic combination of space, price, and location that even Kevin can't argue with.
So, what do you think, Kevin?
It's far. It's a little far.
No homeowners association.
Oh, there's a plus.
There's a big plus.
While it may not be as close to their neighborhood as they'd like, at 3,500 square feet, this house makes space concerns a thing of the past. Ensuring nobody has to share, this house features 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, including a master bath. Additionally, the open concept central area and space for music and working out, along with its attached garage and tree-lined yard, may give the normally vocal Kevin little to complain about.
Come on in. First impressions as you walk in?
I like it. I like the floors. I like the doors.
Like the double
I like the
doors.
ceilings. I got no complaints right now. I like it.
Good. And here you have the family room, which is a spectacular space.
It's nice. This is a lot more space. And
Right?
and it's open.
And it flows right into the kitchen. Come on. Look at this.
It's more our style.
We don't have a space that everybody can eat in one place.
And you've got a walk-in pantry.
Is that a butler's pantry there in the middle?
Yes, it is.
Does it come with a butler? Because
Here you have the sun porch.
this is nice, it's great.
Beautiful. Right?
Yeah.
Yes, dang it.
What do you think this house is listed at?
550.
What do you think?
525.
This house is listed at $534,000.
Ooh, right in
So-
between.
Just above your budget. That's an easy negotiate to get it down to where you want it to be.
It is far out here.
But otherwise, the house delivers 100%.
Yes.
With visions of its functional family-ready spaces still fresh in their minds, Nevada and Kevin head home, where at long last, they get to tour their own house now that Hilary's contentious renovations are finally complete.
Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Okay. And there's a garage. Wow.
But doesn't it just look like this?
Wow.
It's,
And it has doors
it
and
has
lights.
doors and windows.
That's nuts.
It is.
And that's just the tip of the iceberg. Here is the big change.
It just looks like it was supposed to be this way.
Yeah. Okay, so now we're going to go and look at what's actually behind it. This is
Wow.
Now I can get a real triathlon bike because I have somewhere to store it.
That's awesome.
Okay, let's keep going.
Oh,
So
wow.
this is what you didn't see.
Oh my God.
If it's going to be a mudroom, it better be a mudroom.
The laundry chute is still there.
I don't know what David showed you.
Oh my God.
Wow.
So
This is so much better. We can all sit here.
and then, ta-da,
Amazing.
Look at the bay.
Oh, yes.
those ottomans lift up and you can also stash things there. You know, with 4 children, there's always stuff to stash. So here we have your amazing sunroom that nobody could figure out what to do with, and we lost the music room.
Oh, man.
This is your music room.
This is amazing.
We couldn't have done this.
I couldn't have even hung the curtains, to be honest, but
Honestly, you have a beautiful, beautiful home.
This is amazing.
I have one more listen to show you. And it's yours. That is the current value of your home with the renovation that has been done.
The pre-renovation value of their home was $440,000. With a renovation budget of $85,000, the new estimated value of their home is $540,000. That increases the value of their house by $100,000.
Decision made?
decision made.
And are you going to love it?
Or are you going to list it?
We are going to list it.
What? Fantastic. What? What?
Somebody explain this to me.
It just came down to the space and the functionality. Like, it still unable to do the upstairs and the master bath. And even so, for me, I was still ready. But the thing that got me was the value you added to the house. Like, that's a lot of equity we have now that we can spend and still have.
Thank you.
Don't touch me.
Sorry.